It definitely all started when I was 4. I knew I wanted to be a tech as soon as I was 4.
When I was a baby, there was a joke that the nursery was kind of out in the garage. He used to put a mat down in the garage as he worked on cars, and he'd just leave me crawling around.
It's been life-changing for me in a way that I get to mentor my son.
Rush helped me become a technician from the parts side. If there's anything that happens, like they're always there. We treat them more like family than corporate.
Working at Rush is nice because they have shown a commitment to investing into our technicians, into our tooling to keep us up to date. It really does feel like the leading edge compared to the other shops around.
I started in this industry about 30 years ago. I'm a licensed mechanic at Rush Truck Center, and I've been here for 10 years. Ever since Jerome has started, I've wanted to make sure I'm not paying particular attention to him. I see all the guys as my people, as my sons, and I give them the mentorship that I wish I had when I was young. You know, if you're putting your best foot forward every day and working hard, it gets recognized. Here he is today doing things that he never thought he'd be doing in a million years, and you know, it's my pleasure to teach him and everybody here. I see everybody as my Jeromes, you know.